Hello everyone, I'm David Lewis with your Sales Tip of the Week. With the current climate of political division so centered around climate change, the push to convert away from fossil fuels to electric vehicles has never been bigger than it is today. According to a recent survey taken in December of 2021, just over half of Americans say they are likely to consider buying an electric vehicle sometime in the next decade, and that's up from 39% from just the previous year. Now, according to an internal analysis from the Electric Power Research Institute, 2022 is expected to bring a dramatic increase in EV production from the roughly 62 models currently available to at least 100. What all of that will mean to you as a salesperson is that there will be a lot more models to sell and a lot more customers who are willing and ready to buy electric vehicles. Nearly every major car manufacturer in the world, as well as some newcomers you've probably never heard of before, are planning to release new EVs into the marketplace in 2022. According to Forbes' consumer website, with at least 18 new models coming to market in the months ahead, including cars, SUVs, and even pickup trucks, this is shaping up to be a watershed year for plug-in vehicles. So in light of these things, here is the sales tip I want to pass on to you today so you will benefit from this news and prosper in your business as retail automotive salespeople. And that tip is preparation, understanding, and acceptance. Study every piece of literature on electric cars so you are prepared. Make sure you fully understand the concepts, mechanics, and benefits, and then accept this as a new norm of what the customer's wants and needs are. Plug-in vehicles from every manufacturer being built to sell to every demographic, from Generation Zs to millennials and baby boomers to elder seniors. Either you're on board or standing alone. The decision is yours.
Try DLA Online and DLA Live to discover why the top automotive professionals already have. For more information, visit our website at www.davidlewis.com or call us at 321-435-6000.